Hello everybody, Chill here with Prismatic Powders. We have a quick video for you today, and we're going to give you some reasons on why you should use a clear coat. As many of you probably know, using a clear coat can provide you with an extra layer of durability and protection for your powder coated projects, especially if they spend their lives outdoors in the elements. They can certainly benefit from this added protection. But there are also times when you need a clear coat. For example, some metallics need a clear coat to protect the metallic flake from oxidation. But there are other benefits as well. Using a clear coat can richen and enhance the look of base colors. And you can use a clear coat to drastically change the look of your projects by simply being creative with your choice of clear. All right, hopefully this inspires you to try some different things with our clear coat offerings. We've got everything from flat to high gloss. We even have clears that glow in the dark. All right, thanks for watching. And if you appreciate videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified each time we post a new video. We'll see you next time.